Have you done what you said you were going to do on January 1st last year? Did you stick to your New Year's resolutions? Or did you just talk about doing it? Did you just tell yourself, I'm going to do it after Valentine's Day, or after this vacation, or on Monday? Doing anything successful, doing anything important is going to make you inconvenient. There's always going to be a reason to wait. There's always going to be a busy schedule. There's always going to be something unexpected that happens. It's always going to be that way. You have to fucking work through it. But a lot of you motherfuckers just don't want it. It's easy to fall into the loving the idea of something, and it's hard to fall into the habits of action to actually achieve something. It's not about after the vacation or after this or after that. It's about right now. Now resolutions are the only thing that give fucking results. People who succeed stick to the plan regardless. They don't train themselves to use those as excuses. When you tell yourself you're going to lose 5 pounds or lose 50 pounds, you need to fucking do it. You all are curious about what the secret is. Why certain people succeed when you don't succeed. Well, I'm going to tell you why. Successful people, while you're whining and crying about how things are hard and why things aren't fair, guess what they're doing? They're doing the fucking work. You have to commit to becoming better. You have to commit to being a person of action. You have to commit to being someone who doesn't just talk, but follows through. I challenge you guys to become people who do instead of people who talk about doing.
Make a resolution every day of your life because you only get one at bat. When you actually decide to make a change in your life, whether about weight or job, that's when you actually pull it off. It's religion, not tactics.
Do you understand the power of one? It don't take 20 people. It don't take 10 people. It don't take 5. It take one. Step up to the plate. No more excuses. No more good reasons. No more victim mentality. Take responsibility. I don't care what happened. You do whatever you gotta do. No excuses, none whatsoever. I don't care about how many jobs you need to get. I don't care what you gotta do. Make no excuse. So I'm challenging you when you watch this video, at the end of it, make a vow to step your game up if you ain't stepping it up. Step your game up and make the rest of your life the best of your life.